All right, we're going to practice some tipping so that you remember what we're doing here. All right, it says that on number 24, Henry spent a total of 3 2/6 hours working on his science project, while Callie spent 1 5/6 hours working on her science project. Then it asks us to make a comparison because I see longer. So when I compare, I need to remember that comparing two numbers, I subtract. So I know that I need this number, 3 2/6, and this number, 1 5/6. So I'm going to write them over here. 3 2/6 minus 1 5/6. And I'm going to look at those and realize that 5 is bigger than 2, so I must borrow. So I'm going to make that a 2. I remember that when I borrow with fractions, I borrow the whole thing. My denominator is 6, so my denominator is 6. I put my 6 up here and I add straight across. So I now have 8/6, and I had 5/6 down here, and I know that I need to subtract those. And when I subtract, I get 3/6. Go back and check my whole number. 2 minus 1 is 1. When I look at 3/6, I have that picture in my head of a whole thing divided into 6 pieces. And when I think about 3/6, I automatically in my head know that if I have 3 of those, that I have a half. So I know that this answer is 1 1/2. I could do it through the math way, knowing that my factors, if I'm a factor person, I know that 3 and 6 have the factor of 3, and I can factor that out, and I get 1/2. Right, do your best work.